Hello guys, how are you? This is Mr. Ala Ragab. I hope you enjoy our today's lesson. Today's lesson is a pronunciation lesson. Okay, let's start. I'm going to share a PowerPoint now with you. Our today's lesson is about syllables and word stress. By the end of the lesson, we will be able to count the number of syllables in the word, pronounce the stressed syllables correctly, read a context and identify the stressed syllables, weak stress, and unstressed syllables. Practice reading some tongue twisters contains stressed syllables. Okay, let's start with the question. What are syllables? They are small units of sounds, the arithmetic beats in a word. Read. How many syllables do you hear in read? One syllable, correct. And pencil? Yes, it has two syllables. And eraser? Very good. It has three syllables. Oversimplification. It has seven syllables. Excellent. Each syllable has one vowel sound. It's important to know that. Each syllable has one vowel sound. Some may have more than one vowel letter, but just one vowel sound. Like read, it has two vowel letters, E and A. But it has only one vowel sound, read, E sound. So it's one syllable. Okay. A syllable can also have one or more consonant sounds, like stop. Stop, it has three consonant sounds, but it has one vowel sound. So stop is one syllable. Okay. Now let's count the syllables. I'll give you some words and tell me how many syllables do you hear in each word. Notebook. How many syllables do you hear? Yes, two syllables. Very good. Conversation. How many syllables do you hear? Yes, four syllables. Excellent. Repeated. How many syllables do you hear? Very good. Three syllables. And strong. Correct. It's just one syllable. Okay. Now we have a practice activity about syllables. How many syllables here in calendar? How many syllables? Very good. Three syllables. And how many syllables here in winter? Two syllables. Good. Okay. Every word that has more than one syllable has one stressed syllable. One syllable that's stronger than the others, like international. International, it has five syllables. International, but we have one syllable is stronger than the other syllables. So we say that it's a stressed syllable. Stressed syllable is a syllable that is stronger than the other syllables. So this stressed syllable is longer, international, and louder, higher in pitch, and its vowel is clearer. Try saying these words making the stressed syllables longer, louder, higher, and clearer. Let's practice. Problem, study, possible, furniture, attend, suggest, remember, fantastic, understand, conversation, independence, transportation. Okay, now it's your turn. Can you say them again? Excellent. Okay. Also, we have weak stress, weak stressed syllable. Syllable that has a little bit of stress, like the first syllable in international. We say these syllables have weak stress or secondary stress. International. Listen and say these words. Notice how these syllables in red are stressed a little, but not as much as the stronger stressed syllables. Let's listen. Conversation, independence, transportation, refrigerator, educational, scientific, information, civilization. Okay, now it's your turn. Can you say them? Excellent. And also we have unstressed syllables. They are unclear. What happens to the other syllables in a word? The ones that are not stressed at all, those unstressed syllables become strong, shorter, lower, less clear. At the unstressed syllables, they become shorter, lower, less clear. Now say the same words you practiced earlier, this time thinking about making the unstressed syllables shorter, softer, and weaker. Let's say together. Excellent. Thank you. Now, word stress is important. Why? By making stressed syllables stronger and unstressed syllables weaker, we can make it easier for listeners to understand the words we are saying. Okay, now we have a practice activity. Which syllable is stressed? Okay, can you say the word and tell me which syllable is stressed? Excellent. The first syllable, calendar. The second one, can you say the word and tell me which syllable is stressed? Very good. Also the first syllable, winter. Okay, and this? Play. Yes, excellent. And here? Very good. Okay, responsible. Volunteer, which syllable is stressed? Very good. The last syllable. Okay, now we have another practice activity. Now let's practice reading a story that has many words with more than one syllable. Pay attention to word stress as you repeat each part of the story. The stressed syllables, you can find them in a red. Now it's your turn. Can you read? Very good. Thank you so much. Now we have another activity. It's tongue twisters. In the tongue twisters, we use the words again and again, but actually make sense. We use one word in various ways. So one word can be used as a verb, and the same word can be used as a noun or an adjective, and it gets really confusing. So let's say it together. Can you can a can as a canner can a can? Can you can a can as a canner can a can? Okay, now it's your turn. Can you say it? Excellent. The most important thing here is where you can stress. We stress means that we emphasize content words. Okay, thank you so much for listening.